What's going on, guys? My name is Ali and welcome to my channel. As you saw in the title, I am going to be doing a $200 Forex challenge. As you can see by the thumbnail, you guys are in for a good one this video. I managed to catch more than 200 pips in just under 1.5 weeks of trading. I started the challenge on Thursday, September 3rd, so I'm combining that with this week for the official week 1 of this challenge, since I only had two days to trade last week and I only traded on one day. So, but as for this week, it is currently Tuesday night, September 8th, and I am done trading for the week because I absolutely smashed my weekly goal and ended up netting a 20% profit on my account. And I only took 4 trades, 2 on Thursday and 2 on Sunday night during the London session, which I ended up closing last night on Monday. But without further ado, I will play the clip I took when I had $200 in the account and when I took my first trade. For this one, I'll be managing my risk as best as I can and giving myself a modest goal of about 10% profit a week. The goal is to treat this $200 account as if it's a $2,000 or $20,000 account, in terms of managing my risk and trading conservatively. So I will be using fairly small lot sizes in this video. Don't get distracted by the small amount of monetary gain, but rather focus on the percentage gained on the account. Because if you gain 10% of a $200 account, yeah, that's only $20. But if that was a $2,000 account, that would have been $200. With the same exact trade, the same entry, the same exit. So if you want to practice Forex, you can do it on a small scale like this, and it applies directly to when you are ready to put in a ton of money into your account. So I just placed a trade on NZD, JPY, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. I'll let you guys know how this goes. I am in these trades for 0.04 lots, 4 mini lots, $200 account, risking about $12. So that, what is that? Around a little more than 5% of the account. So yeah. Alright, so here's how the graph is looking. It started to melt. I placed my trades like right around here in this area. This is perfect entry. On the daily here, it's big red candle, which we like to see. It definitely respected this zone up here, and we should see a nice leg down to like this shoulder right here. But I have my take profits around here just in case, 71 flat, and that'll yield me about 60 pips in total. But like I said, one of my trades actually got the take profit got hit already. This was yesterday. I took this, or this was today, but I got scared, I think, or it was last night, one of the two. But this I took now. I'm in these trades right now, and I'm just watching it, letting it melt. Alright guys, just a quick update. I decided to move my stop loss from 72 up here back, actually right to break even. So as you can see, the stop loss is at break even. And the reason I'm doing this is because, I mean, you know, anything can happen. I truly think that this is gonna melt, like, over the next couple of days and maybe even over the weekend. It's just gonna be in a downward trend, in my opinion. But you never know. I mean, it could easily shoot back up, reject this whole, it could wick down and just continue its uptrend. So, I just moved my stop losses just to be safe. So now I'm trading risk free. If I lose these trades, I'm still at 201. And and if it doesn't hit my stop loss, then I just keep riding it down. And I also think that putting my stop loss at break even is giving the trade plenty of room to fluctuate, because it's still 30 pips away. Like, my stop loss is still 30 pips away, which is a decent amount of pips. So yeah.
Sure.
It is melting, guys. It is melting.
But let's try if we can share.
All right, guys. So I did end up exiting this trade. I ended up exiting. I saw this very long wick here. Usually that means sellers try to push the price down and the buyers are winning. It rejected the downward movement. So I don't like that. I exited. Actually, what I did was, so this one hit my take profit. This one I exited on my own when I saw some rejection here. And this one I actually moved my stop loss down to 71.3 because price was at around 71.1. As you can see, like, price was like way down here when I did this. So 71.125. And so, like, I moved my stop loss down just so, I don't know, I don't got to worry about the trade and look at it. And it ended up going back up and hitting that stop loss. So, first day, first trades, I am up 6.3% profit, which is actually very good. I'm very happy with that. I'll catch you guys in the next trade that I make. I'm doing all my trades live. I'm recording everything live. So there's no tricks here. There's no gimmicks. There's no, is this guy a fake guru? I mean, you're seeing my trade live as it happens. Like, I'm calling it out. I'm recording it as it's happening. I'm showing you guys when I entered. I mean, there's really nothing more I can do. This is obviously not a demo account. I'm taking super small lot sizes. I'm managing my risk. I'm not being too greedy. I mean, this is how you trade, guys. Now, ideally, you'll want a bigger account, 2,000, 20,000, and just go for those, like, 5% gains, 6% gains. Keep your risk at, like, a 3%, 1%, 1 to 3% risk here. And I'm telling you guys, you can make a living doing this if you just follow the rules, right? Just follow the rules. Manage your risk and don't be too greedy, and just grow steadily. Grow like treat it like a stock market account. You know what I'm saying? Like, just small gains over time, guys. This isn't get rich quick. You can, but it's hard. All right, so. Alright, guys, so I am about to go to bed. It is 1:56 a.m. on a Sunday night. So it's basically a Monday, technically. And this is how my trades are going. This is what I'm looking at. The weekly time frame. See rejection, nice wick here for another rejection. Go down to the daily. Nice, nice leg down here. Go to the 4 hour. We got a break and retest here. Nice wicks. I placed my trade right here. And we're down here in profit, baby. CHF. This is a longer time frame type of trade. On the weekly. Great rejection. Super long wicks. Hit 3 more times and came back down. So, it rejected again. So, we're looking for this to come down to like right here for a nice profit. What's going on, guys? So, last night I got stopped out. I did move my stop losses down. So that I am trading risk free, and the trades ended up hitting my stop loss, as you can see. Super disappointing. But around that same time, I actually re-entered both these trades here, and then I woke up this morning at, I think I took these trades around 3 a.m. And then I woke up this morning, it's about 10 a.m. and closed them out. I probably could have kept holding them because, look at these candles, guys. Hold on, you got NZD. This is where I re-entered. Like right here. Waiting for the breakout of this descending triangle here. And it broke out beautifully, and I caught all of this. Except for actually, my take profit was right here. I cannot catch the rest. As for this pair, same thing. Kind of got melted. No pattern, really, but I just entered based off of the cross of the 200 EMA here, and caught some nice pips for a profit. Again, I could have held both of these pairs even longer, because as you can see, this is a very long-term trade, guys. We're taking this trade based off the weekly, so, but it's probably gonna come down and hit this zone. But yeah, I think we're good. $27, 239 profit. We hit our goal for the week, and it's only a Tuesday morning. So that's lit. Alright, guys, so you saw it there. I took these trades live. I showed you the setups before they happen. There's really nothing I can hide. I showed you already proof that I took the trade on my phone. And I will be posting a couple more screenshots before this video ends. But this is what ended up happening with NZD JPY. It's just perfect textbook play. It doesn't really get any better than this. We managed to secure over, I don't even know how many pips this is, man. This is over, okay, so we entered way up here, 71.6 at the very beginning of this challenge. But the mistake was that we closed right down here, which I deeply regret, because we would have caught a lot of pips. This is over 150 pips just off this trade. So I took a trade up here, closed out right here, ended up waiting, and it came back to retest this zone, so it gave me another entry opportunity. And so I entered right here, and I rode this down basically to right about here. I exited it just because that's where I put my take profit for some reason on my phone, but it ended up hitting my original take profit, which was down here. It is what it is, but we still finished with 20% gained on the account, which is way past the goal that we set. So that's what happened for this pair. And we also have CHFJPY that I took. I did enter right here, and this is what it's managed to do so far. And what happened is I moved my stop loss down when I was in profit, just to trade risk-free and kind of use like a trailing stop loss. And it ended up hitting that stop loss, so I was out of that trade, and then I re-entered as soon as it crossed this 200 EMA and closed somewhere around here. The screenshots are on my phone. I'll post it right here. But that's how these two trades went. I did look at GBP USD, but this was like a potential setup around here, but it never ended up creating the support, and it fell down, so I never entered the trade. So an important thing to know is you don't want to predict the market necessarily. You want to react to it. So you make your setups, you mark down potential support and resistance zones, all that, and you wait to see what the market does, right? Like if it creates support at this level, okay, go for a buy. But if it doesn't, don't enter the trade. Like just trade what you see, right? React to the market. Don't try to predict it. A lot of people will like put this zone down and place a trade right here, just assuming that it's going to respect this just because you put it there. No, you have to see like long candlesticks, long wicks, and like true rejection and a bounce for this to be acted on as support. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new. This channel is going to be geared towards basically just following my journey in trading, showing you guys exactly what I do. I'm going to be documenting all my trades live as they happen. Full transparency. Obviously, you can't fake that. You can't fake what I just did. And that's it, really. I'm not here to sell a course. I'm not here to, sell a free or a VIP Telegram or whatever. I will be making a Telegram. If you guys want one, just comment down below if that's a good idea. It'll be totally free, and I'll just like post my analysis for the week and kind of like the trades that I'm taking. I don't know, I'll probably post everything on there, like what exactly when I take the trade, when I close it, all that stuff. So yeah, I will be posting more informational videos as well. How do I mark these charts up? How do I know that this is a resistance zone? All that jazz. But I really want to focus on this challenge, growing this $200 account in front of you guys, showing you that it's possible to do this on a small scale and practice now while you're young, while you have extra money. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.